Why did that come to us?
That went right at them.
That blew up in our face.
Are you guys okay? Is everybody okay? Show me these. These are our little dog shoes, I guess.
Yeah.
They're like rubber. They're going to protect him from the heat. Huh. Because it is so hot, his paws hurt. And he has to go outside. And we don't have any landscape, so it's super hot. But this is going to be tricky to get them on.
No.
Is it working?
Toby.
Hey, Toby. I don't think that's what it's supposed to look like, Cohen. Oh, Toby, I don't think that's the way it's supposed to be. Don't let him bite it. How is it, Toby? You got it. He's not walking on it normal. Here, back up. Cody, Toby, you could walk on it, sweetheart. You could walk on it.
Come here, Toby.
Toby, you could walk on it. You're not hurt. Toby, you're not hurt. Toby, you're not hurt. He's acting like he's hurt. Come on, you can walk on it. Go, Toby. He's gonna try. Come on, baby. Oh, come on. You're just fine. It's not broken. It's not broken.
Number 2.
Do you want number 2?
If we put it on his front legs, will he start walking?
He has to.
Will he start like walking on his back legs? Like a human?
Maybe.
Okay, bring Toby over here.
All right, put him down. Oh, see, it's not that bad. They're just socks. Balloon socks. Toby, come here. I'm going to put them on your back legs, too.
You ready for this?
Okay, you ready, Bria?
Yes.
Why do they walk so funny? That sounds funny too. He sounds like a horse.
He literally sounds like a horse. I'll be right back. Toby, come on.
Oh, he definitely looks like a horse now, Bria. You are on to something. Okay, I have to admit, he does look a lot like a horse. And he sounds a lot like a horse. He walks like a horse with those mitts on, the balloons, whatever you want to call them. So let's see how he does outside, because we've got a lot of yard work to do. Look at that farmer girl over there picking up the hay. All of our weeds that have grown are like hay weeds. Toby, what did you do to your new shoes? Come here. Come here, let me see. And you've got a complete hole in that one. And your nail's sticking out. Toby. We didn't last too long outside. It was really hot doing yard work. But now we are going to a party at my sister's house because it is her birthday today. July 24th. It is also Pioneer Day in Utah. So it is Utah Day and we're gonna go celebrate and do some fireworks and swim. Who's excited?
Me! I am. I'm excited.
All right, are you gonna swim this time? You never swim.
I think I actually am going to swim because it was so hot today.
Yard work, it was hot doing yard work. So let's go have some fun. Okay, we're here at my sister's birthday party, but where is everybody else? It is silent. It's silent. Did the party get canceled without our knowledge?
Hopefully not.
Joel, did the party get canceled?
Maybe.
Guys, I guess we're the only ones here at the party.
So what do we do? We just pull?
Is it just going to be an Anderson party? Look,
5?
no one's here. An Anderson party of
5.
5? Hey, what are you guys looking at?
A giant spider.
Are you kidding me?
It's a wolf spider. The most deadly spiders in the world.
That is not the most deadly spider in the
They're
world.
really poisonous, but dead black widows are more deadly.
Cody, this is not a deadly spider. Are
That's
you
a
thinking
wolf
of a
spider.
daddy long leg?
No, this is a wolf spider.
A wolf spider isn't like the most dangerous spider.
Cody, the only big
Yeah,
spider isn't a wolf
Besides
spider.
the black widow and the daddy.
Cody, there's a lot more bigger spiders.
Yeah, this
The only big spider is not a wolf spider.
That's not a tarantula. That's a
like-
wolf spider.
scary big. They're like the size of my hand.
Ew, that's huge.
Is it still alive? That thing's gigantic.
Throw it at mom. Throw it at mom.
Oh, excuse me. No.
It's upside down.
Ooh. Since we're the only one here.
I guess it was an Anderson party, a 5 party.
Is it cold?
Warm.
Is it warm? Maybe at some point the birthday girl will come. You should join the Anderson party before everyone else comes.
Just joined Cody.
Oh no! Someone came to the party. His name's Duncan. And a Peyton! Peyton decided to come to the party. Is it cold?
Just a little bit. Don't.
How was it?
That feels fine when you get in.
Aren't you glad I pushed you in? Hey, stay away. Hey, you gonna try to push me? Hey, back off.
Nice. Cody's turn.
You guys look like you're glowing inside the water. You guys look like you're glowing inside the water. Like glowworms.
What?
You look like a glowworm.
Oh, I'm a glowworm, guys.
Cody's still going strong with the water.
He's never gonna get out. But it's time for fireworks.
Time for fireworks.
What are you doing?
Running away from Jordan. Real
Why?
life one's alive. He's a monster.
She's a monster. Are you eating more cookies? No more cookies. What is going on here? We've got a Barbie house here? There's so many. Cody, do you got ice cream? Bria. Hi, Hankers.
Yellow makes it come up. Right, man.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone touch it. Everyone touch it. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Touch it, touch it, touch it.
Touch it and walk away.
Okay, now go.
I don't have one.
Woo! There's a bunch of fireflies. Jamie, they look like a bunch of fireflies. Run, fireflies, run! Run, fireflies! Oh my gosh, they're charging us! Why are you guys charging us?
And you're watching
What are you doing, Bria?
I'm Anderson. And you're watching Disney Channel. Blow it!
Went out.
Ah!
You try.
I'm Jordan. I'm Jordan Yeager. And you're watching?
Did you write your name?
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm Parker and you're watching Disney Channel. Perfect timing. I know.
That's dangerous.
Stay behind the line, kid.
That's a fun one.
What is someone over there?
That's a surprise one. That's why you wait.
Who's going over there? Oh.
Whoa! Yeah. Why did that come to us?
That went right at them.
Blow up in our face.
Are you guys okay? Is everybody okay? Is everybody okay?
That one went flying forward at people.
Don't want to get yourself blows up
Is
in your face.
everybody okay?
Okay.
Cody, are you okay? Come back.
Kids that want to light one get to.
I don't think they want to now. Are you okay? Okay.
I felt one hit my toe.
Really?
It would burn. I was in shock.
Okay.
I was like, and then it went. I was like,
Okay. Okay, everybody sit down here.
Gosh, Jerry. We had such a good day. Happy birthday to my sister Jamie. I love you so much, and thanks for having such a wonderful party that we were able to come to. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye everybody. Oh, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks everyone. See ya.